with an easy, tasty dinner without the whole mess.
Yeah, that's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
So many people out there are big fans of the sheet pan dinner, and today I've got a great recipe for you. It's a sheet pan gnocchi with sun-dried tomatoes. Let's do it. For this, you're gonna need gnocchi, some sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, spinach, and some Parmesan. Need a big bowl for this one. This is the gnocchi that is from the shelf. You could use frozen, but I don't like it. I like the shelf one better. This is a jar of sun-dried tomatoes cut into strips. I drained the oil out of the sun-dried tomatoes, but I reserved the oil, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil from the actual sun-dried tomatoes, and then a tablespoon of actual regular olive oil. And now, a little pinch of salt to this, a little pinch of pepper, and let's get all of these gnocchi pieces coated with the oil. If they're in clumps, break them up. Got my baking tray. This could not get any easier, guys. Grab that gnocchi, get it on that baking tray, spread it out, and try to get it on here in a single layer. All we're gonna do now is take our baking tray to the oven at 400. It takes about 20 minutes. My gnocchi's nice and plump. It's cooked through. I just got it out of the oven. All I wanna do now is take my bowl. I put some spinach on the bottom. I'm gonna add this hot gnocchi right on top, and the heat of this is gonna wilt down this spinach a little bit. Toss in a little bit of this grated Parmesan cheese. Toss it up and serve it up. A tasty meal and an easy cleanup. What could be better? Sheet pan gnocchi with sun-dried tomatoes. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Noray. Bon appetito.
All right, it looks amazing. For more information on this and other recipes, go ahead and check out our website. That's WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then click on Bite. And for the latest and greatest all things culinary, go ahead and visit Belkys' Bite blog, also on our website.